This is a 22 News Storm Team Weather Alert.
Hey, good Friday morning. Time now is 4:48. We do have that 22 Storm Team Weather Alert that is up. We're taking a live look here in Westfield starting off this morning. Not looking too bad out there. Also Chicopee. Visibility is good. You can see some of that cloud cover up above. We are going to stay mostly cloudy, of course, through much of the day, as we do expect a wintry mix of some snow, ice, even some plain rain coming in as we go throughout the morning and into the afternoon. Winter weather advisory is up from the National Weather Service for all of western Massachusetts. This officially begins at 10 o'clock this morning. I really don't think we'll start to see any precipitation until after 9 a.m. So between now and 9 o'clock, I think you're fine. It'll be a dry start to the morning commute. Got a breeze coming in right out of the south and east here, and air temperature is mostly in the 30s, even some 20s. 27 there in Orange, 32 in Northampton, 33 is the temperature in Springfield. Going throughout the rest of the day here, 22 Storm Team Daycast. We're going to hold on to cloudy skies this morning. Notice through the afternoon, evening, we'll see that wintry mix, some snow, some freezing rain, even just plain rain. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for today, but I do expect that by the evening we'll transition over to just a little bit of light snow for mostly everyone. So that is the top of the 22 Storm Team forecast. Focus is that wintry mix of some snow, ice, and rain for everyone today. And as we go into the weekend, they're going to continue to see some flurries and some snow showers, potentially for both days, Saturday and Sunday. Not going to be anything significant, but just scattered flurries over the next couple days. And then we're still watching that coastal storm for Monday. As of right now, continues to look more out to sea, but still close enough that we're going to definitely keep an eye on it, because any little wobble in that track could make a big difference for our scenario on Monday in terms of any snow. So right now we're nice and dry. Taking a wider view on clouds and radar, you can see much of the region looks pretty good. And notice that we do have some rain off to our south and west. That is our first round of some weather coming in for this afternoon, or later this morning into the afternoon, on the 22 Storm Team Skycast. 7 a.m. here towards 9 a.m. Notice 9 o'clock here. Many of us are still dry, but we're starting to see the first flurries popping up in Berkshire County. But notice here around noon, we do get into a period of a little bit of some light snow. And then by around 1 o'clock, we could start to see some moderate or light snow for everyone. And notice some of this pink showing up. That is kind of what I'm more concerned about, is that there could be a period of some freezing drizzle or some freezing rain that mixes in. 3 o'clock here, notice some of that pink works its way here into the valley. So it might look like at times it's raining a little bit, but it's actually going to be some freezing rain. We could see a little lull going into this evening before another round of some precipitation fills back in, heading into tonight with some scattered periods of light snow. So this will be pretty much over with by midnight. When all said and done, of course, higher accumulations will be back in the Berkshires and right along and north of Route 2 here in Franklin County. For many of us, this is around a coating to 2 inches. I'd say the closer you are to Connecticut state line, around a coating to 1 inch. The further north you go, like Northampton up through, let's say, New Salem, Deerfield, that's where you got a better chance of around a slushy 2 inches. As I mentioned, on top of that is what I'm a little bit more concerned about, is that there could be some light icing out there at times today. Up to 1/10 of an inch can't be ruled out, and it doesn't take a lot of freezing rain to make the roads slippery. So, and you know, a lot of people get fooled by, oh, it's raining outside, but it's actually freezing rain. It freezes on the surfaces. So heads up on that. 34 to 38 out there today. We're going to fall back into the 20s to near 30 tonight. Some scattered snow showers. For the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast here, a few snow showers tomorrow, not a big deal. Much of Sunday's quiet, maybe a few flurries. Still going to watch that chance for maybe some snow on Monday. Really depends on how close that system gets to us out in the ocean. And then temperatures stay mostly in the 30s through much of next week. Want to check out our latest forecast? You could do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.